La Union Rescue 3 p.m. draw. For our first winning number. Our first winning number is number 1. Ibabalik po natin ang number 1 para sa ating pangalawang pagpili ng ating winning number for our second winning number. Our second winning number is number 16. Ulitin ko lamang po ang ating winning combination ngayong hapon. 1 and 16 in exact order. 1 and 16 in exact order. Congratulations po sa lahat ng mga winners.
Yes, dear. Sige, 160.
Official draw result for December 20, 2024.
3 p.m. draw for draw number 7606 or 16.